We are going to start lesson number 5, multiplication activity 3. In this activity 3, students, we will do multiplication but using expanded notation. Do you know what is expanded notation? Expanded means what? Means that there will be a given one number and you have to expand it as you do in the third class. I will let you know. See this example here. We are doing multiplication using expanded notation. 5 into 40. What I did, I expand 45. 45, how I can write? I can write 45, 40 plus 5. Clear? Then what I do after this, it becomes same as you done in the previous activity 2, question number 3. Means the number which is present outside, you have to multiply with the number which is present inside. Means 5 you have to multiply with 40 also and with 5 also. 5 40s are 200 and 5 5s are 25. Add them, answer will be 225. Clear? This thing only we do. Means expanded means expand the one number which is the biggest one. Clear? So let's start doing activity 3, question 1. 15 into 6. So 15 we will expand. 15 become 10 plus 5 into 6. Now what I do? I multiply 6 with 10 also, 5 also. So what will be the answer? 10 into 6 plus 5 into 6. 10 6 are 60. 5 6 are 30. What will be the answer? Answer is 90. Clear? Now we will do B part. Here B part is 5 into 43. Solution. 5. As it is 40, we write 40 plus 3. Clear? Now what I do? I multiply 5 with 40 also. And I multiply 5 with 3 also. 5 40s are, mean 5 4s are 20 and there is 1 0, so you put 1 0 there. 5 3s are 15. So answer will be what? 200 plus 15, answer will be 215. Clear? Similarly, we do next question. All the question we do like this manner only. 39 into 8. Solution. How you write 39? 30 plus 9. Put it in a bracket, then write 8. Multiply 8 with 30 and 9. 30 into 8 plus 9 into 8. 38 is 240 plus 9 8 is 72. What will be the answer? Answer is 312. Clear? Now we do fourth part, that is 27 into 9. How we do? 20 plus 7 bracket 9. It means you have to multiply 20 with 9 plus 7 with 9. 20 9s are 180. 7 9s are 63. Add them. 3 plus 0, 3. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 plus 1, 2. Answer is 243. Now we do 5. In 5 there are 115. How you expand it? Very easy. What do? You have to expand every number. 100 plus 10 plus 5. Put it in a bracket into 3. Now you multiply with 3 every number. 100 into 3 plus 10 into 3 plus 5 into 3. 100 3s are 300 plus 30 plus 15. Add all these numbers. Answer will be 345. Clear? Now we do next part, sixth part. 4 5 5 2. Expand the number. How we expand? 400 plus 50 plus 5 and multiply by 2. Means 2 you multiply with 400, 50 and 5 with all the numbers. So answer will be 400 into 2 plus 50 into 2 plus 5 into 2. 4 2s are 8. How many zeros come? 2. Plus 2 5s are 10. How many zeros come? 1. Plus 10. Add them. Answer will be 910. Clear? Now we do next part. 7th part. 9 into 5, 1, 5. So how we do? You write 9 as it is into 500 plus 10 plus 5. Multiply 9 with this number also, this number also, this number also. 9 into 500 plus 9 into 10 plus 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. There will come 2 zeros. 9 10s are 90. 9 5s are 45. 5 9 plus 4 13. 5 plus 1 6. 4. You can add in a rough also. Clear? Now 8th part. 3 2 5 into 7. Solution. 300 plus 20 plus 5 into 7. Multiply 300 into 7, 20 into 7, 5 into 7. 3 sevens are 21. With that 2 zeros come. 2 sevens are 14. 1 0 come. 5 sevens are 35. 5 4 plus 3 7. 1 plus 1 2 and answer will be 2275. Clear? All the parts are same. There is no difference. Only the number will be increased but answer will come as it is. So here you will expand 1000 because after 1 there are 3 numbers. 900 plus 30 plus 5 multiply by 6. 1000 into 6. 900 into 6. 30 into 6 plus 5 into 6. All parts are same. 6000 plus 9 6 are 5400 plus 180 plus 5 6 are 30. Add them. Answer will be 0. 8 plus 3 11. Then 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Then 5 plus 6 is 11. Answer is 11610. Clear? Similarly, we do 10th part. 3 into 6 705. What do you have to do? You write 3 into 6000 plus 700 plus 5. Clear? Because 0 we will not expand. Now we multiply every number with the numbers which are present inside. 3 into 6000, 3 into 700 plus 3 into 5. 3 6 are 18 and 3 zeros will come. 3 7s are 21 and with that 2 zeros come. 3 5s are 15. So answer will be 5 1 1 2 plus 8 10 and 1 plus 1 is 2. Answer is 20115. Similarly, we do 11th part. 2005 into 5. Here we will expand the number. It will be 2000 plus 5. Multiply every number with 5. 2 1000 into 5 plus 5 into 5. 2 5s are 10 and with that 3 zeros come. Plus 25. So answer will be 10025. You can add in the rough also. Clear? Now we do 12th part. 8903 into 6. Expand 8000 plus 900 plus 3. Multiply by 6. So you write 8000 into 6, 900 into 6, 3 into 6. 8 6 are 48 and with that 3 zeros come. 6 9s are 54 and with that 2 zeros come. 3 6 are 18. Add them. 8 1 will come as it is, 4 will come as it is. 8 plus 5, it will be 13. And 1 up, answer will be 53418. Clear? So students, today we have done activity 3. In this we have done expanded notation. Expanded notation means one number you have to expand. Clear? As you done in the previous class, means firstly you can write 1s, 10s, 100,000 according to its place. You have to expand the number along with plus sign. Means when you write down the place value of the number, you have to put the plus sign in between. Clear? Like that manner we do. So I hope you understand. Thank you and have a nice day.